everyone, welcome back to my series Curls with Your Girl. For those who don't know me, I'm Cynthia, and in this series I'm gonna go over all the different type of curl styles. Today we're doing bouncy curls inspired by this JLo pic. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, keep watching. First things first, I always like to section off my hair and do it in sections. I'm gonna use a 1.25 inch curling iron, and I'm gonna take sections as big as the curling iron. This time I'm gonna alternate the curls. So I'm gonna have one where the clamp is gonna be in front of the hair, and then the other strand where the clamp is gonna be in back of the hair. Starting at the top with the clamp in front of the hair, I'm gonna curl away from the face, and I make sure to start at the top. Loosen up the clamp so I could feed some more hair through. And I make sure to curl all the way to the ends and make sure to get those ends. And then I just let it go, and I should have a bouncy curl like that. We're gonna be pinning up these curls, which you could do it in two ways. You could scoop it up like this and then roll it in, or you could get two fingers and wrap it around your fingers and roll it in all the way to the roots. You're gonna get a clip, and the top part is gonna go where that circle is, the gap, and then the bottom part is gonna go on your scalp so it could stay in place. So this one I curled going away from my face. The next strand I'm gonna curl going towards my face. The way you do that is I hold it vertical, the curling iron. Instead of having the clamp in the front, I'm gonna have the clamp in the back, and I'm gonna curl towards my face. So loosen it up and make sure you are twirling this way. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes super simple. Being able to alternate, it's literally the same thing as going away from the face, except just start with a different position and then you curl towards your face. I curled all the way to the ends. As you can see, the ends are curled, and we are left with a bouncy curl. Same thing, you're gonna scoop it up, roll it in, pin it, and let it sit. We're gonna do this throughout, so I'm gonna take a section, go away from my face. The next section, I'm gonna curl towards my face. I'm gonna alternate throughout, and then I'll show you guys what I do after. Let's save the bangs for last. When it comes to the top section, I'm gonna curl away from my face when it's near the front. I'll start alternating it back here, so probably this last strand, but these front strands, I'm gonna curl away from my face. I'm literally wearing a sweater. I have these lights on. I don't know why I have the heater on, so I'm sweating over here, and the curling iron. Who am I posting so much on YouTube? I feel like this year that was one of my goals, is to post more on YouTube. So I'm here giving you guys all the hair tea. Let's move on to this side. Again, we're gonna alternate. So one strand is gonna have the clamp forward, going away from the face. The next strand is gonna have the clamp backwards, going towards the face. And I make sure to curl all the way through. Okay, that was the last one. We are at the bangs now. For this look, when it comes to the bangs, it's just super soft, just a little bend at the ends. I'm gonna take the clamp forward and just kind of curl at the ends. If I feel I need them curled a little bit more, I'll do it at the end. With the finishing spray, I'm gonna spray these curls before I let them down. All right, moment of truth. Who else freaking hates taking these out? I don't know if the lighting changed, but I don't know why I look like a little ghost right now. Hopefully it doesn't look like that when I edit the video. Okay, we are here. How cute are these little bouncies? You are more than welcome to leave it as is and let it fall throughout the day. I'm a shake it out girly. I feel like there's two types of girls in this world. Either you like to brush out your curls, shake it out, or you just like to leave it like this. Not me. So we're gonna shake it out. The way I do that is just by rubbing on my scalp. That's just gonna open them up a little bit, and then if I need to brush it through, I will. Then I'm gonna spray this texture spray all over, mess it up a little bit more. And then we should have these bouncy, effortless curls. And here's the final look, bouncy curls. I hope you guys are enjoying my series. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys like this tutorial. Like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what curl style you guys want to see next. And I'll see you guys next time.